Hey guys, what's up? Today in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to get this amazing plus app for free. This mod will work on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see, I already have this application and everything works. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen record for better video quality. First, open your favorite browser and go to appflight.pro. As you can see, in this page you can find a lot of mobile games and apps. All you have to do here is search the application you need. You can use search bar. Then tap this apps to go to a page like this. All you have to do here is tap install now button. After that, installation process will start. The final step is simple verification. Just complete 2 tasks from this list, and be sure to read and follow the instructions below the task. Let's speed up video for the verification process. And that's everything. Once you follow these instructions, you'll see this plus app on your home screen. Thanks for watching everyone. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.